Coolie marks the much-hyped collaboration between Rajinikanth and Lokesh Kanagaraj. Rajinikanth is back. And this time, Lokesh Kanagaraj has turned him into a weapon. But here's the real question. Does Coolie just deliver nostalgia? Or something far bigger? The story follows an aging dockyard worker with a mysterious past who becomes the unlikely leader in a fight against a ruthless smuggling empire. It's part social drama, part revenge saga, with a heavy dose of fan-pleasing punch moments. What works? Rajinikanth's screen presence. At 74, he still delivers whistle-worthy moments, stylish walks, sharp dialogues, and charismatic swagger. Lokesh's action staging. Brutal, choreographed fight scenes with practical effects and raw intensity. Mass plus message. The screenplay blends larger-than-life heroism with themes of worker unity and dignity. Background score. Anirudh's BGM amplifies the energy, especially in interval and climax sequences. Cameos and Easter eggs. Lokesh subtly ties the film into his larger cinematic universe, which fans will love dissecting. What doesn't work? Predictable plot beats. While the packaging is fresh, the core revenge arc feels familiar. Second half pace. The pre-climax drags slightly before the final payoff. Overuse of fan service. At times, it feels like scenes exist purely to set up applause moments rather than push the story. Performances. Rajinikanth. Effortless charisma, with both emotional depth and mass appeal. Shruti Haasan has limited screen time but plays a crucial, plot-driving role. Satyaraj provides solid antagonist energy with gravitas. Supporting cast adds authenticity to the dockyard world. Technical aspects. Cinematography. Dark, gritty tones mixed with vibrant festival shots. Editing. Sharp in action sequences, slightly loose in drama-heavy portions. Music. Songs are situational, but it's the BGM that truly elevates the mood. Verdict. Coolie is a mass-loaded Rajinikanth entertainer with Lokesh Kanagaraj's signature grit. While it's not the most unpredictable story, it's designed to deliver a full-on fan celebration in theatres. If you go in expecting whistle-worthy moments, thumping action, and vintage Rajini charm, you won't be disappointed.